The Perfect Note. A restaurant that has been in Hoover for years, known for its food and music. Owner Tremaine Thompson says he's excited after hearing Governor Kay Ivey say it's possible businesses in Alabama could reopen soon amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
A lot of people are hurting right now, and it's a great concept, even if it's half capacity.
Half capacity because according to Alabama Lieutenant Governor Will Ainsworth, if restaurants open, customers must be 6 feet apart and no parties bigger than 6.
Something is better than nothing. That's always my philosophy. We're going to lose half of our showroom. At one time, we were 170 capacity. We're probably going to go back down. We're probably going to be at about 80 just to be able to fulfill this social distancing, a new reprimand.
He says since the stay-at-home order, the restaurant has only offered curbside service, which affects the business and employees financially.
We did put them back on payroll, but it was just based off of whatever we make. So 100% of what we make here for the curbside service goes back to keep the employees employed.
Thompson says although the restaurant will have to follow new guidelines, they plan to make sure the customers are 100% safe.
We understand and know that business is not going to go back to normal. People are going to be very reluctant, but we want to let them know that we're doing our part. We got Wayne's Environmental Service going to come in and totally disinfect our place with their new chemicals.
Thompson says he has even put in an order for masks to give customers as they come in until COVID-19 is no longer a threat to Alabama. In Hoover, Xavier Harris, WVTM 13.